Great conference though, thanks for having me. Hugely important having this conference in Rotorua and the wider Bay of Plenty. Actually, we're a tourist town, we've got great facilities, but it's more than that. It's having New Zealand's construction industry come here and talk about the importance of that pipeline being full so that actually we can employ New Zealanders to build the type of economy that we need.
Great place to see familiar people outside of the actual environment that they're always in. It's always a relaxed environment, there's lots of networking, and it's just a great place to catch up with people.
Oh, I think definitely if you're in the industry, you've got to know what's happening in the industry, and you really need to meet the people. Like, people do business with people.
Definitely worth the time and effort to be part of. It's a massive networking exercise for us. Obviously we're here to promote our products and our brands. It's a fantastic conference to be part of.
It's been awesome, great environment, lots of fun people. It's just, yeah, it's been a hit. It's been really, really good.